Hello everyone, this is a completely off normal topic video. I've been watching Harry Rogers, a video channel called Harry Rogers, and a bloke called Gary Pip. They make leather stuff, and I've watched some of their videos. They're brilliant. I think they're very talented people, and I was just busting to have a go at it myself, and this is what happened. Hello everyone. Well, I bought myself this set of leather tools. Even comes with a bit of leather. I've already had a look at them. Apart from this pricker thing here, that's supposed to be a stitching spacer, I think, which is a complete load of shit. The rest of it all looks quite good. It's less than 20 quid. Little cutting mat, little hammer, some threads, cool spuds, and I bought this great big bit of leather for 20 quid. So now I'm going to make some patterns and try and make a bag. I made some cardboard paper and some paper patterns. Cut a few bits of leather. I even knocked up a stitching pony. And this is the end result. I made my wife a little old-fashioned school-type satchel, which she's using to work to take her lunch in. And no, I'm not going to do a close-up of it because the stitching is awful. Leather work is harder than it looks, but I think I've got the bug. I'm going to have more of it. If you want to see something really good, have a look at Harry Rogers or Gary Pip. They do it properly. Well, there you go.